guess there was no one at the gate. We didn't even need to pay, but we do have a national park pass. And here we are at Volcanos National Park.
So here we are at the Thurston lava tubes. Volcano National Park.
I wasn't quite expecting for it to be so much jungle and rainforest, but it's kind of nice. So I think they said that the last time this volcanic area erupted was in 1959.
We are at the beginning of the lava tube.
Oh, man.
You going in first? We are now inside a lava tube.
That was so cool. Oh, wow.
Still can't even see the floor. And you can see steam across the way. You see it?
Holy shit. Well, it's raining, but here's some of the steam vents. Where are we, Dilly?
Devastation Trails.
Devastation Trail.
Pauahi Crater.
Yeah, we're loving the Shaka guide. We paid $19.99 for this tour that I downloaded to my phone, and it literally is narrating the drive through the entire park, and it's super helpful. They tell you places that are good to turn out because we wouldn't know just to where to stop every time. So shout out to the Shaka guide. I gotta show you this rock.
Look at this rock.
Wow.
Always put it back where you
That's right. So many colors. It's almost iridescent.
Sea Arch, caused from a lava flow. Might not be there forever though.
Barely hanging on.
Barely hanging on, it looks like.
Alright, well, this vacation has turned out to be the one of exploring some dangerous roads. This is literally unreal. Currently 13 miles from the top of Haleakala. It's currently 3:56 p.m. It is 48 degrees now, by the way. And it was 83 at the bottom. Does not feel like we are in Hawaii at all. This is like, just to put a little perspective into this drive right now. what we call major muffin time. Are you ready, Muffin?
I am a muffin.
Are you ready? 10,023 feet elevation. This is it.
This is the crater?
This is it. This is the base of the volcano. Isn't it beautiful, Dylan?
I can see that.
Okay, so we're here at the top of the mountain. We're 10,023 feet above sea level, but there are 19,680 feet of mountain hidden below the ocean, and I don't remember how high Mount Everest is, but I think this is higher than Mount Everest.
It is.
Technically.
It's 29,703. Pretty cool.
Crazy. This is a little spooky.
We are at the top. Howdy.
Look at this red rock. I'm imagining if we were to go to Mars, we'd see something like this.
We're out here hiding from the wind. It should be a beautiful sunset, but it's a little bit cloudy. We're on the volcano, guys.
All right, we've driven back down the mountain a little bit and we're starting to see bits of the sunset. So I think we might get our beautiful sunset view after all.